Toma fatia wali ai uso ufia fia wapei osani wetu ayo ia o se langona they say si mana omia wana se polonga o mana o ngaile taulia Lotona fatia aliai so ufia fia wapei sani wetu ayo se la ona say si mana omia wana se polonga mana ongaili wana se polonga mana ongaili
Radio Killer.
Y'all know me, still the same OG, but I've been low-key, hated on by most these niggas with no cheese, no deals and no G's, no wheels and no keys, no posts, no snowmobiles and no skis. Mad at me cause I can finally afford to provide my family with groceries. Got a crib with a studio and a saw full of tracks to add to the wall full of plaques, hanging up in the office and back of my house like trophies. Did y'all think I'ma let my dough freeze? Oh please, you better bow down on both knees. Who you think taught you to smoke trees? Who you think brought you to ODs? Easy E's, Ice Cubes and DOCs, the Snoop Double G's, and the group that said the police gave you a tape full of dope beats to bump when you stroll through in your hood. And when your album sales wasn't doing too good, who's the doc that he told you to go see? Y'all better listen up closely. All you niggas that said that I turn pop or the firm flop, y'all are the reason that Dre ain't been getting no sleep. Y'all, all of y'all, if y'all don't like me, y'all are gonna keep around with me and turn me back to the old me.
Say
killer.
Nowadays everybody wanna talk like they got some